Learn how to make compost at home in balcony or terrace, if you live in an apartment or do not have garden space. Compost improves the soil quality by releasing rich nutrients into the garden soil. Making your own compost at home from your kitchen waste is much easier than you think. There are 4 components of a compost system: nitrogen or green ingredients, carbon or the brown ingredients, water and oxygen. The green ingredients are kitchen scraps, grass clippings, dead flowers, seaweed, kelp, tea leaves and tea bags, coffee grounds, etc. The carbon ingredients are dry leaves, straw, hay, wood ash, shredded newspaper, cardboard, sawdust, vacuum cleaner dust, human and animal hair, etc. Now the procedure. Take a container with number of holes for air. You can take a large pot or any container and make a number of holes all around it. Collect your kitchen scraps in a bag. Now add alternate layers of green and brown ingredients. If you do not have dry leaves, then use lots of newspaper cuttings. Cover the layers with a thin layer of soil to prevent mosquitoes. Sprinkle some water. Place the pot in the balcony where it receives direct sun. After 2-3 days, move the ingredients to add water. Now you can add more layers as and when you have sufficient kitchen scraps. Occasionally, sprinkle water and mix the contents well. The compost will be ready in 3 to 4 months. If temperature is low or pot size is small, then it will take longer to decompose. Always keep the pot in sun. If your balcony does not receive direct sun, then composting will take more time. Please like and share the video. Also please subscribe the channel to know when the new videos are posted.